Hey everybody, happy Saturday. We are here on a remediation job, and I am with Lee from Mold Constrictors.
How's it going?
Lee's got a new herb business here in Central Florida, and just a brief story what we got going on here. This job, it started out to be something small, and it just kept getting bigger and bigger and bigger. You just kept finding more and more growth.
Yep.
But that's not the cool story. The cool story is Lee has gone out of his way and actually self-financed this for this lady. Her current economics makes it difficult for her to afford a remediation. Remediation's not cheap. If you're unaware, it's typically a thousands game, all right, as it should be. It's not a simple job. You can see around here there's a lot of drywall that has to be removed, and there's a lot of manual labor involved in this, the containment and everything else. So Lee was kind enough to self-finance this for her, which was really cool. What we have done, and because of this, the client's current economic situation, is we've gone ahead and we've donated the PRV as well. And I say this stuff not to brag, but just to incite something in you. Go out and be nice. Do something nice for somebody. If you can't afford maybe monetary contribution to your church or charitable organization, how about donating some of your time or other resources? Okay, Lee's already here and doing all this work. He didn't have to do what he did, and neither did we. So maybe this just might inspire you to go do something. Use some of the resources you already have and do something nice for people.